Take. That's a good outtake. There we go. Good morning. I'm hoping you're having a wonderful day. We are filming this today because we got this Etrike from Etrike that we've had on order since the end of February. We just got delivery of it today. The backstory about this is that we had an anywhere bike, trike, each of us. The great bike, very sturdy bike, solid bike. Here's the problem. You have to have a carrier that can handle 2 e-trikes, which they don't make. We didn't know that when we bought them. So what we had to do is we had to take and send my e-trike back. We kept Zonder's. I ordered a regular e-bike, which is right over there. And the thing about the Anywhere bike is it doesn't fold. And we did buy a carrier for that Anywhere bike, but it's a very heavy bike to lift onto the carrier. And so what we ended up doing was when Electric Bike, I should say, decided that they were going to put out an e-trike, and they finally produced, we immediately ordered one, and we ended up selling to the Anywhere trike. So now, here we are filming this, May? Just a few days before Mother's Day. And I'm going to now unbox and put together this electric trike. By the way, the box is in perfect shape. No dents or crushed box at all. So the shipping, which came, by the way, FedEx ground, what a wonderful job. I got you. Digging and crushing my nails to what I didn't have. And I watched the video too. See,
when you get excited about something that you've been waiting on, it's hard to remember.
It's good. It's true. By the way, this bike was supposed to be here yesterday.
Actually, it was supposed to have been here last week.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go, last week.
And then we got a notice that it was delayed. It was in Chino, California. And no updates from them until this morning.
Right. Yeah. sitting in Chino, California since May 3rd. And it was supposed to be delivered at the end of the day yesterday, according to them. We got on the phone with Electric Bike yesterday.
After being on hold for an hour.
Yeah.
Because everybody else is looking for their
I
trike.
believe that to be over now.
Yeah, probably so.
See, I don't know, I think it was an hour and a half. What my honest opinion.
Well, we play cards and
Sure.
Yeah. And the FedEx guy was nice enough to bring it to our campsite.
Well,
That would have been hard to have gotten in that box in the back of the car.
yes, so that was very, very nice of them
Yes.
to do that. Okay. Did that. I think the next thing we do is take down
Yeah.
like I said, you took paying attention and you got an A grade. You watched the video. I did too, but I fell asleep. Oh, this is what you use to sit on the box.
Well, we need to find the battery and charger so we can go and get the battery and plug it. And that's why we're setting it up to the day.
No. Really? Try. Got that. So let me find the battery.
It should be already on the bike. So I
It
will,
is on the bike. I do see it.
I will have to help you lift that up
You will?
and out.
Oh, that's right, because it was a two-man operation. So, what you ought to maybe do is hit pause, or whatever it takes, and then we'll lift it out, and then turn it back on again.
We'll be back with you.
Yep.
We're back.
We're back. Yes, we are. We got it out of the box, and very important that you have two men to help you, or two people, because
It was very
Very-
difficult
very
to lift
difficult,
it heavy
yes.
high enough to get it out of that box.
and you'll see, and they put a video out, by the way, of how to put this together. And if you're like me and didn't pay attention to it, only bits and pieces, because you're very excited. You want the bike to get here, and you're figuring you're as smart as the video anyway. But anyway, there's a pack that protects the bike that sits underneath you'll see a spot underneath for you to be able to put that on there. That's to help you balance, as you see where I'm at right here. I don't have to worry about it moving or something like that, so very important. So now, I'm gonna get my tool, one of these,
Only white ones.
white ones.
The black ones hold the cables and
Right.
stuff. And they're left on there. So.
So this is, keep that there.
It's packed very nice.
Yes, it is. Yeah, you're gonna be very pleasantly surprised if you get one of these, just how great they pack them.
I know some people have complained about their boxes being just mauled
Right.
from the shipping process, but it was in excellent shape.
Yeah.
And some people have problems with theirs with the back fenders being bent, but we've not gotten that far yet.
Stick this right up here for now. Right? Sure, I'm right.
Yeah, but you have to turn that thing you got your finger, or you had your index finger on.
This one?
Mhm.
What do I need to do?
Turn it or lift it. There you go. It's
That's okay, huh?
it's tricky.
Let's go right there.
Ooh, it's even got little white balls.
You're gonna be armor all your tires and all that too?
Come on.
Look at the color of it too. I like the color of this bike.
I do too.
Really?
Although, you know, I enjoyed my white one.
Right.
I like white vehicles. I just like white. So, but this was the only color that they offered with it newly coming out. So,
Let's see how this. I'm trying to remember how the.
for what, the battery?
Yeah, to lift the battery out. Or do you can take the battery out, right?
Yeah.
So let's draw.
Do you see the keys anywhere? Maybe you have to have the key to unlock it.
You know what? I haven't seen the keys yet.
They may be in some of the stuff in the basketball.
Well, let me ask you this question. Will the key to my heart open this bike?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I guess not. You have to have a really strong heart with that. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. I think I hear a
Goodies.
rattle. Could be a rattle. Well, one of them is spare parts, so you do get that. And let's see. No, I'm afraid there's no keys in there.
No? I'm surprised.
Well, let me see.
Now maybe zip tied on somewhere.
Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Yeah. Put that over there like this.
Have to be a contortionist to put it all down. Does yours have whitewash?
No. I'm not that fortunate to have. And I ordered the same company.
And the seat that they send with it is not, I mean, I ordered the,
Supports the
yeah, the comfort support seat, and it will come at a later date. But they do send you a seat,
Yeah.
so you can go ahead and be riding. they're going to have to be adjusted because they are on the back tires. But
Well, they're on the back tires because there's also a piece of foam back there too.
yeah,
That's cool.
but they're not bent. Brake lights aren't broke.
Now, let's see.
So there might be some keys in it.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's like right. Yeah, I see them. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know that that will solve the problem of getting
They're
them
on
in
that.
there.
They're on that black tag.
Oh, okay.
So let me see something.
That's supposed to stay on the bike until like a checklist thing.
Yeah, that's what it is. I got to make sure I take all of this stuff off first.
Right.
So that's why the battery stays right where it is right now.
You know you're doing a mighty fine job there.
Thank you. I think it will. I'll leave the back open. It should fit.
Oh, it looks like it will. I mean, you probably have to take the seat out and the handlebars down to get it in there, but...
I'm talking about the box.
Oh, the box.
Yeah, the box when I take it to the garbage.
Yeah.